My machine is gonna win!
She's gonna blow! Eliza, you have to unplug it before it obliterates us all! Or, just let it explode and build a whole new school from scratch.
No, I brought this mechanical beast into the world. It's up to me to take it out. Gotcha!
Eliza, get out of there! It's gonna collapse!
I can't get out! Well, I guess that's it. Bucky won.
On the bright side, at least you don't have to worry about unjamming people's lockers or jerry-rigging the water fountains.
But I like doing all that. Helping people, giving broken things a second chance. And now it's all headed to the junkyard and it feels like everything I did was for nothing.
So hi, it's me, Bucky.